Mga kaibigan, isang magandang araw ho sa ating lahat. Nakarating na ho tayo dito sa Tagum. It's around 3:20 p.m. Galing ho tayo. We are from Island Garden City of Samal. We attended a vigil because the father of Kuya Jimboy, Honorable Judge Jimmy Bustilio Boco, was passed away. No? Namamatay na ho si Tatay Lolong. So that's why condolence sa Boco family, mga kaibigan. Hindi pa ho tayo nakapag kasi bago pa ho yun namatay abyanan ko, namatayan naman ho tayo. So that's why we are here today for your informations for us. So thanks God, thanks God, the self travel that we have, and then our Aerox, they don't have any conflict during our on the way from Samal bound to Tagum. There is nothing to be fixed, there is no discrepancy that would be happen on that way. So thank you so much for the Almighty Father who art in heaven. So we are here today in our bonsai collections. We are watering this, mga kaibigan, because yesterday we cannot come here because after our tour of duty from the station, and then we'll go directly to Samal. We don't have enough sleep, for your information. And just 48 hours, there is no sleep at all. At thank you so much kay Laika kagabi. Kami na lang hong dalawa kagabi. So I hope sana mamayang gabi, it is the last vigil of Tatay Lolong. I hope of the Binoling family was to join us, mga kaibigan. I hope sana. Manang, gikapoy ka Manang. Gikapoy gani si Manang, igo na siya nag-back ride. Wow, mga kaibigan, is our bonsai. Yo.
Kasang kapuya, kita kong lubot.
So, the Aerox
out
there. Mga kaibigan.
Baong.
So, we are watering this even the weather is there is a moderate rainfalls at all. So that's why we are here, our bonsai collections. At also at the back, thank you so much for those who are listening us and watching our video. It is our collections here. It is the big bones of I do not know what the faces that here. And congratulations to Dodong Larry at kay Berang. Malapit na hong matapos. We're going to finish their house. Thank you so much on that. We are happy on that. We established ourselves. As a matter of fact, we considered our foundations itself. Yan, mga kaibigan. Yung bonsai natin, di ba? Yung malaki na ho siya.
Advance kahit happy wedding anniversary.
Anniversary?
10 years of marriage.
10 years? Akala ko 5 years. Sino kaya yung 10 years?
10 years.
Sa atin 10 years, yung sa iba. Ilang years kayo?
Ay, kugat ka.